Limerick is beautiful, as everybody knows. The river Shannon, full of fish, through that city flows. But 'tis not the river or the fish that weighs upon my mind, nor with the town of Limerick I've any fault to find. Oh, the girl I love is beautiful and soft-eyed as the fawn. She lives in Garryowen and is called the Colleen Bawn. And proudly as that river flows through that famed city, as proudly and without a word that Colleen goes by me. Oh, made the Emperor of Russia to command, or Julius Caesar, or the Lord Lieutenant of the land, I'd give my plate and golden store, I'd give up my army, the horses, the rifles, and the foot, and the royal artillery. Oh, I'd give the crown from off my head, my people on their knees. I'd give the fleet of sailing ships upon the briny seas. A beggar I would go to bed, and happy rise at dawn, if by my side for my sweet bride I had found my Colleen Bawn. Oh,